So we're very proud of our traps. We make them here in Spokane in the US. Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a line lead at Rescue, and today I will be showing you how to put together a Japanese beetle trap. First, you want to take out the attractant, and we'll open up the bottom. Next, you just open it up. It's a little stiff at first, so you just kind of flex it back and forth. And then you just click together the wings on the inside. You just want to hear an audible little click to help you know that they are in place. This creates the funnel that the Japanese beetles will fall into. Open up your attractant. You want to take the rounded edge at the bottom and put it on top of the vane. You'll then take your included twist tie and put that through the hole in the top. You get it to the length that you want it, and this will allow you to hang it. You want to hang it about 4 feet off the ground and 30 feet away from the plants that you're trying to protect. The season lasts about 8 weeks. The attractant should last the same, if not a little longer. If your trap gets too full and can't hold all of them, just open up your easy lock tab at the bottom and the bugs will fall right out. I'm Rachel, and I hope you enjoy your Japanese beetle trap. A normal day for us is crazy and hectic. We make sure that the products are good and that they don't have any defects or deformities. As line leads, we're responsible for the floor. The thing that brings us the most pride is being able to know that every product is a quality piece.